Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Maps can actually access your device, update the app, enable location, and grant permissions. Once done, open Google Maps and sign in so your saved places and history sync. Make sure background location is allowed if you want real-time positioning while the app runs in the background. Finally, tap the search bar to prepare for directions. That first search is how you begin routing and unlock navigation controls immediately. You'll now build the route. Type or speak your destination, then tap directions to see route alternatives. Compare ETA and distance across driving, transit, walking, or cycling, and pick the one that fits. Next, customize by tapping options to avoid tolls or highways and enable specific lanes or transit lines. This changes route calculations. If you'll be offline, download the area map first so turn-by-turn continues without cellular service. Finally, save the route. You'll begin navigation by tapping Start and following voice prompts and lane guidance. Use the 2D/3D toggle and zoom to keep context. During the trip, share your ETA with contacts, add a stop, or switch routes if traffic changes. When you arrive, end navigation and leave a quick rating or report a map error. If guidance is inaccurate, try toggling location off and on, recalibrate the compass by moving the phone in a figure eight, or clear Maps cache. These fixes resolve most GPS drift issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.